Here's what it looks like. It is blue with green glitter. Here, I'll give you a chunk of it so you could see it very closely. Here it is. Off camera, it looks very green. Like it's green, but it's actually a blue slime. It's supposed to be a blue slime. I think it's more of a greenish blue, but the camera makes it look blue with green sparkles. So, I love this slime because it's all glittery and because it's blue. So, this is a very, very fun slime. And my name is Landry. If you did not already know, make sure you hit that like button if you like this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!